We've made it. We're 7 months post-op. It's been a long time coming, but now looking back, I can't even remember. I'd like to thank all of you that have watched the video so far. There's been quite a few of them. And thank you so much for commenting on your own personal journey as well, and liking and subscribing to the channel. This is now.
Maybe a little over the top.
Well, that's how I go up and down steps now. And wait for your new hip. See how you do it.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a haze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
7 months of putting your socks on. Oh, just have a look though, because we are now summer. Pineapples. I can bring my knee right up to my chest if I want to. No problem there. And, well, summer shoes are always easier.
I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into gold.
Girls, come here. Come here. Come here. Hello, neighbours. Picking stuff up off the floor. Now, most of you probably won't have one of these, but look how easy that is. You can crouch, you can stand, you can put it under your arm. It beats picking a ball up, doesn't it? Okay, this is Mavis. Say hi to everyone. Good girl. Squatting. I don't think I've ever had a perfect squat, but I'm definitely going much lower. Range of movement, this hip. And even do a jump. Oh, I can hear the doorbell. Let me go and answer. Was that a bit over enthusiastic? Well, the point is I can get up and I can get down off a seat. No problem. Where are we going? In fact, I'd probably do all the driving now, but I just needed to do the same position as I did a few months ago. And the thoughts of coming back from hospital where I didn't even want that leg to move at all. Oh, no, it's amazing.
Catching a haze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Got a lot more confidence about my body now, and to start with, I was paranoid that my hip was going to dislocate. Now I don't even think about it. I don't really alter anything that I do now. I'm climbing up ladders, I'm chopping down trees. all the normal things really, and I don't even think about it, which means, you know, I'm where I want to be. I can't even remember the pain I was in or the lack of range of movement. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope it's given you some positivity about your own journey to see where you can get to. They say full recovery for a hip replacement is 2 years, and I'm only 7 months down the line, so I don't know what I've got to come. I don't feel like I could improve any more than I have already. And it does make me think when making this video today that I've rewatched where I came from and pre-op, and it seems a distant memory. It's actually like not watching myself. And please remember that what you're watching is my journey. We're all so different, whether it's age, starting fitness levels, severity of your hip, and the type of hip operation you've had. So I've had a left posterior hip replacement, and each one is different and the recovery is different. So you don't judge it on my journey, but I'm hoping my journey has given you some positivity and you can see where you might get to after you're up. Thank you so much for watching. Me and Andrea both really appreciate you commenting and all the kind words wishing me well in my recovery. It's really made a difference. So thank you.